Hi there, welcome to Akhostiq PC World. In this tutorial, I will be showing you ways of boosting your machine or speeding up your Windows PC. In this video particular, I'll be showing you two major ways, and in the next videos, I will be showing you the other ways. So you might want to subscribe to the channel so that whenever I release the other videos, you will be alerted. Alright, so let's quickly get these two ways going. Alright, so to boost your machine, kindly spot your battery icon. For laptop users, kindly spot your battery icon on the notification bar. So here is it. This is our battery icon. Now right click on it. When you right click on it, you will see power options. Click on power options. The first time you open this particular power option panel, you will see balanced recommended being ticked or chosen. So usually this is selected, but this is not what we want, and this actually reduces the performance of your machine because it balances performance with what? Battery saving or power consumption. So we want to create a higher performance plan which will help our machine to boost faster and faster. So ignore this over here, ignore them, because in yours you wouldn't be seeing these ones, you wouldn't be seeing these options over here. So if you have higher performance, just click on higher performance over here. If you've not seen anything like this over there, kindly at the left side of this panel you will see create a power plan. Click on it. When you click on it, you see balanced again, recommended. Not all recommendations are actually good, and we need a higher performance. So what should happen? The computer should be put to sleep, but here it has been selected as never. So you might want to click on it and change it to 10 minutes also, so that on battery after 10 minutes your machine will go back to sleep, and this saves your battery. What if it is plugged in? Yeah, if it is plugged in, why not? It can be turned on for so many hours. What of to sleep? You know, when you are not using your machine, it is wise that you allow it to sleep. So we can put 30 minutes over there. Then what? We create the plan. So you see higher performance being selected. Immediately you are done. That is all that you need to do over there. Just what? Click on the exit button to close. What of the desktop users? Desktop users, usually you wouldn't see battery icon over here. So what you need to do is to click on the search button. Click on the search button, then type control. When you type control, you will see control panel. Click on control panel here. Then over here, usually you might see something like this. You might see something like this. Just go to hardware and sound. Then you will see power options. Click on power options. So you see that we are back to the same place where you follow the same procedure. Alright, now the second way of boosting your machine is that go to the search icon over here, type task. Okay, so you will see task manager. Click on task manager. So if this is your first time of opening this task manager, you will see something like this. Yes, something like this. But just click on more details over here to expand. When you click on more details, you will see so many options now available, the tabs. Go to start app and click on start app. Now you will see so many programs running at the background, and these are what runs at the background. Okay, these are what runs at the background when you start your machine, and these, most of them are not important. They need not to even start with the machine, but they are starting with the machine altogether. So in order to disable them, just right click on it and disable. You will see disable, disable, and disable. This is enabled, and you will see startup impact. Some are high, some are medium, some are high. Especially the higher ones, look at it if it is actually important to your machine, and what? Leave it or disable it. If you want to know what this actually means, you can search online so that you'll be told what it is. If you want to check the properties, why not click on property? If you want to look at the location of the particular program, you might want to click on it to see the exact location. And this is the installation folder of what? iTunes. Yes, the iTunes. This is it. So you can see. All right. So that is all for boosting your machine in this particular video. So you might want to, disable some startup that continue to occupy the resource of your machine.